What was meant to be just another shift on the road ended in unimaginable tragedy when Uber driver and rising supermodel Isaac David lost his life during a robbery. But beyond the headlines and shocking details, this is a story about a young man whose presence touched so many lives. Isaac wasn't only working hard behind the wheel, he was building a name for himself in the modeling world, chasing his dreams with a determination and grace. Those closest to him remember his infectious smile, his signature moves, and the respect he showed to everyone he encountered. His sudden passing has left a deep void in the hearts of his family, friends, and supporters, who continue to honor his memory with heartfelt tributes. As the community mourns, many are calling for greater awareness around driver safety while also celebrating the life of a son, a friend, and a dreamer gone too soon. Isaac David may be gone, but his light and legacy will never be forgotten, and may his soul rest in peace.